Let's be honest, starting a print-on-demand shop in 2025, it's exciting until you realize you have no clue what to actually sell. So today I'm breaking down the top 5 print-on-demand niches that I've seen on Etsy. Plus, I'll give you a little inspo of what I would create for each niche to help you along and help you get started with your own print-on-demand shop. If you are looking for a shortcut to niche decisions and need a little bit of help to get started, you're in the right place. So let's get going. Number 1, weddings. I think this is my absolute favorite evergreen niche because there's so many fun sub-niches and you can really do it for any time of year. And then you can also sprinkle in like design, trends, and aesthetics as well. It's my favorite. Products that I see that I have also sold that sell really well on my shop and then on Etsy are welcome signs utilizing wall art or poster prints or canvases. And what's great about them is they can be customized and they're usually a pretty high ticket price, which means more profit for you. Number 2, custom thank you cards or personalized elopement cards, any type of cards that you would need for a wedding. So you can do this for a bachelor party, a bachelorette party, thank you cards, elopement announcements, wedding gift registry announcements. Really, any sort of thing that goes along with a wedding, you can add a card to it. You could really have a shop just for cards. And lastly, personalized bridal shower gifts. Like, have you seen those on Pinterest where all of the bridesmaids or bachelorette party are wearing some type of matching shirt that says Bride Squad or something inappropriate or something super cute and like with a certain trend behind it, like this? I'm obsessed. And you can sell them in a bundled listing. Now, in order to do this, you would have to kind of manually add the products to the order, as most print-on-demand suppliers don't allow you to bundle the actual listings to the order. You would have to add them manually to your customer's order within the orders that you receive. Really, weddings is like the ultimate starter for print-on-demand success. And there are so many sub-niches that you can see and sell bestsellers in. It's my favorite for a reason. Up next, we have babies and like the family niche. Parents on Etsy are shopping for nursery posters, like customized with either baby announcement kind of birth info, like name, weight, date they were born, etc., but stylized for the nursery aesthetic. Milestone flashcards. Now, if you create these, you can use postcards or greeting cards, but just design them in a way where they are for milestones, like baby's first Halloween or month 1 through month 12. A variety of different things for just milestone cards, but still keeping in tune with paper products. And lastly, custom baby announcement tees. Gone are the days where you put that ugly board behind your baby after they've just been born. And the new thing is to create a little cute onesie with their name or maybe birthday and birth info right on the onesie that they wear in these photos. It's also a great keepsake. So anything personalized, customized that you can create for this niche is not only going to sell better than non-customized products, you can also charge more for it because it is a customized product. Next, niche number 3, teachers and like classroom decor. Think classroom motivational prints. You can really design these for any age and grade. You can even make them more sub-niche focused by creating designs that focus on one particular school subject, like maybe for a 9th grade English teacher or a 12th grade chemistry teacher. First day acrylic signs. I'm obsessed with these because the potential for a high price point is there, and it's also a product that customers can use over and over again, as it's accessible in the way that they can, I guess, write and wipe. I have some acrylic boards, and I use them as write and wipe products for my own kids, and they're awesome. And lastly, for teachers or like the classroom niche, mugs. Now, this is kind of but mugs, especially for teachers that are customized, sell really well. If you're hesitant about mugs, you could offer some other type of beverage container, like a tumbler or a water bottle or a koozie. Something related to beverage and customization just really sells well on Etsy. Niche number 4 is for pets. Memorial posters sell really well on Etsy, and there's, I feel like, a really big window for certain styles of artwork that I haven't seen yet. We've seen the watercolor, we've seen the realistic, we've seen the your pet as a royal portrait person, but something like truly customized, like if you're an artist and you create custom pet portraits, this could be a good way to not only save on your time and your cost to your customer by providing a print instead of a actual physical canvas of their pet, but you could also offer this as, once you create one design for them, you can not only sell them the product with their custom design on it, but for an additional upcharge, you can sell them that design that you made. Or like a super niche focused corgi mom tote bag. You want to get super specific with evergreen niches, so the more specific, the more targeted your customer base is going to be. And lastly, for pets, a custom name t-shirt. Better if you can get like matching shirts, one for you and one for your pet. Not every print-on-demand supplier offers that option, but maybe like a pet bandana with a matching design, and you have like a t-shirt with like your pet's name or your pet's face. And lastly, niche number 5, hobbies and careers. Don't sleep on micro niches like nurses, bookworms, plant lovers, D&D fans. You can even group these hobby niches into other big evergreen niches, like book-loving bachelorette party, where it's all like smut book themed and then geared towards different books that the bride-to-be likes. And you could literally make a whole shop geared towards a super specific sub-niche. Again, the more specific your niche is, the more targeted your customer is going to be, which helps them find you more easily, especially on places like Etsy. When you are just starting out with your niches and your products, stick to one niche and maybe offer at most 3 products. The more targeted, the more specific, the more customers are going to find you, because that's what they're specifically looking for. You can't just make a cute Halloween t-shirt. You're never, ever, ever going to get found on Etsy. I promise. Honestly, there's a lot of niches, but there's room for everyone if you focus. Again, you want to pick one niche and pick maybe 3 products. And you can use gelato. When you create a new gelato account, you get 50% off your first sample order. And with their new Create AI tools, creating mock-ups, creating a whole collection of products is way easier with their new Create AI tools. And they're completely free to use. If you want to try out gelato for free, I have it linked for you down below. If you feel like you still feel stuck, you're still not sure where your niche should be or what products you should be choosing, I have a ultimate launch blueprint. It's going to walk you through everything you need to know as if I was there doing it one-on-one with you. Start your print-on-demand shop in just 4 weeks. I have it linked down below. Use code 32 to get a special discount, but hurry because there's only a few spots left. And tell me below, what niche are you trying this year on Etsy? Or maybe you're launching your own shop. I'd love to know. And if you have any questions, please, I am here to help. Print on demand can be scary, but with consistency and research and a will to get it done, you will be successful. I can't wait to see what you create. See you later, Rebel.